Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your default iPhone web browser from Safari to Google Chrome. Changing this will allow any link or Siri search that you do open inside of Chrome instead of the usual Safari. This is probably one of those things that most people don't realize they can do, but already prefer Chrome over all the others. This is also a newer feature to iOS 14 and the latest Chrome app, so make sure that you're up to date on your software versions. I'll show you real quick through a search that Safari is the current web browser. Pull down anywhere on the screen and type a search keyword. You see on the left of the results that shows the Safari icon. We'll cancel that and go ahead and make the change. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll all the way down to the Installed Apps section and choose Chrome. In here, tap Default Browser App. You can then change the iPhone's default browser from Safari to Chrome. You can then either tap the back arrow or just go ahead and close settings. Now if I search something by pulling down anywhere on the screen and typing the search topic, you see that my results have the Chrome icon next to them, and if I open one up, it opens automatically inside of Chrome. And it's that easy to change the iPhone's default web browser from Safari to Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.